Here is consonant blend NCH, which is made up of N and the digraph ch. So we have n, ch, ch. Are you ready to make some words? Okay, let's do it. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Ranch. Tap and stretch again. Ranch. Say it fast. Ranch. Say it fast. Ranch. I live on a ranch where I eat ranch dressing on my salad. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Bench. Tap and stretch again. Bench. Say it fast. Bench. Say it fast. Bench. I love to sit on a bench at the park. You ready? Tap and stretch. Wench. Tap and stretch. Wench. Say it fast. Wench. Say it fast. Wench. A wench is a pirate lady, right? Arg, mateys. Okay, tap and stretch. Inch. Tap and stretch again. Inch. Say it fast. Inch. Say it fast. Inch. Yeah, I grow every year by another inch. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Pinch. Tap and stretch. Pinch. Say it fast. Pinch. Say it fast. Pinch. Yeah, my brother tries to pinch me on my birthday. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Bunch. Tap and stretch. Bunch. Say it fast. Bunch. Say it fast. Bunch. I have a bunch of flowers. Tap and stretch. Lunch. Tap and stretch. Lunch. Say it fast. Lunch. Say it fast. Lunch. I am so hungry for lunch. And this is what I'm going to do. Are you ready? Tap and stretch with me. Munch. Tap and stretch. Munch. Say it fast. Munch. Say it fast. Munch. That's right. I'm going to munch at lunch. Okay, let's tap and stretch. Punch. Tap and stretch. Punch. Say it fast. Punch. Say it fast. Punch. I could have had fruit punch with my lunch, or I can punch a bag or a pillow whenever I want to practice boxing, right? Punch. Good job on final consonant blend NCH.